Welcome to FM Up the Show. And as you all know, right now, if there is a topic that is of a matter of interest in this country, is politics. So right now, we all know that Ruto is on the verge of double crossing the Mount Kenya region politicians, if I may say so. And it seems there is an old saying that we have always said that when you want to do something that is an act of betrayal, you play out the game of being the victim. Now, as currently, the former popular Inoro FM presenters predicted a cabinet reshuffle and has alleged first cabinet secretaries to be fired by Ruto, and some of them mostly are coming from the Mount Kenya region, and one being today Ruto pointed out fingers. Also Gachagua, led by Ruto. Gachagua is never for Mount Kenya. He is always a man at the verge of making noise in the political arena. Now, the former popular Inoro presenter Wajiko Juguna predicted that President William Ruto will soon reshuffle his cabinet, a move that will also see some cabinet secretaries losing their jobs. Remember, the Azimio la Umoja team was made a request to William Ruto that they need to be included in the cabinet secretaries. They need at least 3 cabinet secretaries from the Azimio la Umoja side. So for Ruto to at least accommodate these 3 cabinet secretaries so that Mr. Raila Odinga will stop pressuring William Ruto, then he has to reshuffle the cabinet, kick out some cabinet secretaries so that he can accommodate some. Wajiko, who vied for Kipipiri Member of Parliament in 2017, predicted that CS is in charge for Interior National Administration, Professor Kithure Kindiki, will be the first to be shown the door when Ruto finally cracks the whip. And I shall quote her. It's a really something that she really said. When a lion wants to hit its cub, it accuses it of smelling like a goat. You can clearly tell there are people who will be fired from the cabinet soon. Others will be drawn to the ministries horror than Shakahola. Whom do you think will be the first casualty? Me being Kindiki, she posted on her Facebook page, today being on Tuesday. Now, Wajiko, who used to host popular show Hutia Modo alongside famous Bishop JJ Gitahi, campaigned for Raila Odinga of Azimio la Umoja, but things went, now they turned and they are for Ruto now. A remarks comes after Ruto demanded a written explanation from Kindiki and other CSs and PSs who were late during the signing of performance contract at the State House in Nairobi on Tuesday. It seems that Ruto is right now on the verge. Kindiki behaves like a woman on a periods. Sorry to say that. Sorry to put it that way. Lakini jamani, I really don't want to speak it that way, but that's what it is. Now, the guy was out there making noises, drawing tantrums during the Maandamano period. Now, it's your time to suffer, Mr. Man. Look at what Ruto is doing. When the Azimio la Umoja demonstrators were on the streets calling for help, everybody shouted at them, everybody mocked them. But now look at what the government is delivering to you who thought that you are on the safest side. That's how politics is. It's a dirty game, and at the end of the day, you better be wise to win in it. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe.